All right, it's time for another update. I'm going to try to keep this quick. The first round of alpha testing is done. I got several bugs out with the graphics engine not working on some older machines. Instead of OpenGL 4.5, I'm now targeting OpenGL 4.1, which dates back to mid-2010. So that's a 13-year-old spec, which hopefully your machine should support. The software itself is ready for a next round of testing and is also ready for a larger pool of users. But despite making the software as intuitive as possible, some details just need some more explanation because non-circular gears are inherently complicated. So I've been going through the arduous process of creating video tutorials. Right now I'm up to tutorial 17, and I probably have about 5 more tutorials to make. I have made it a point to make every single tutorial focus on a very particular topic and be under 2 minutes in length, so they've been carefully scripted to be very concise. You may not even need to watch every video, but hyperlinks are being added inside the software to link you to a brief tutorial when you're unsure of what to do. The good news, if you're super hyped about the new software, is that these tutorials are already public, and I have included a link in the video description so you can watch these tutorials ahead of time if you're interested. Next week, I expect to finish the remaining tutorials, and I'll begin working on a login and payment system while also fixing bugs and making some changes based on my alpha tester feedback. This is end stage work, so bear with me just a little bit longer and the software will be out the door soon. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoy my channel, and I'll report back to you next month. Thank you.